Dreamy hoppers. In a quiet little backyard, Cleo the crow loved to collect shiny things. Coins, buttons, and pieces of foil. If it sparkled, it was Cleo's treasure. But today, someone else was watching Cleo. Shadow, the sly cat, was hiding under the bushes, her sharp eyes fixed on the crow's shiny collection. Shadow wasn't interested in shiny things. She was interested in Cleo herself. She thought, if I can trick that clever crow, maybe I can catch her.
Hello, Cleo. That's a lovely nest you have up there. Such beautiful treasures you've collected.
Thank you, Shadow, but I'm very busy. What do you want?
Shadow smiled sweetly and said,
I was just wondering if you'd like to play a game with me. I can show you something even shinier than the things in your nest.
Cleo was curious but cautious. She agreed to follow Shadow, staying high in the trees while the shadow walked below. Shadow led Cleo to a small patch of grass, where a silver key sparkled in the sunlight.
See? Isn't it beautiful? It could be yours if you come down and take it.
But Cleo wasn't fooled. She noticed the soft dirt around the key, perfect for trapping her if she landed there. Cleo decided to teach Shadow a lesson. She cawed loudly and said,
Oh, Shadow, you're so kind, but I can't carry that key. It's too big. Could you bring it up here for me?
Shadow picked up the key in her mouth and climbed the tree, carefully balancing on the branches. Just as Shadow reached the branch, Cleo flapped her wings and flew higher, cawing with laughter.
Thank you for the key, Shadow, but I think it looks better with you. Goodbye.
Startled, Shadow lost her balance and slipped. She landed softly in the bushes below. The clever crow and the sly cat went their separate ways. Don't forget to subscribe for more fun adventures.